But hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you've ever thought about diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down how to start trading crypto as a complete beginner. We'll cover the basics, the tools you need, and some tips to avoid common mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll feel ready to take your first steps into crypto trading. So, let's get started. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Let's dive in. First, let's clear up what crypto trading actually is. Crypto trading is the act of buying and selling cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, to make a profit. It's similar to trading stocks, but crypto markets are open 24/7, and they can be a bit more wild. There are two main types of trading: spot trading, where you buy and hold crypto to sell later, and derivatives trading, like futures or margin trading, which is riskier and involves leverage. As a beginner, I recommend sticking to spot trading until you're more comfortable. The goal? Buy low, sell high, or hold for the long term if you believe in the project. But before you jump in, you need to set yourself up properly. Step 1. Educate yourself. Crypto trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to learn the basics. Start by understanding key terms like blockchain, wallets, exchanges, and market volatility. I'll link some great resources below to help you get started. Follow reputable crypto news sources like CoinDesk or Cointelegraph, and join communities on platforms like X to stay updated on market trends. Also, learn about technical analysis, things like reading candlestick charts or spotting trends. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first. Take it one step at a time. Pro tip: never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile, and you need to be mentally prepared for ups and downs. Step 2. Pick a reliable crypto exchange. This is where you'll buy, sell, and trade your crypto. Some popular exchanges for beginners include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each has its pros and cons like fees, user interface, or available coins. For example, Coinbase is super beginner-friendly but has higher fees. Binance offers more coins and lower fees but can feel a bit complex. Do some research to find one that suits your needs. And always check if the exchange is regulated or has a good reputation. Scams are real in crypto, so stick to well-known platforms. Before signing up, make sure the exchange supports your country, has strong security features like two-factor authentication, and offers the coins you want to trade. Once you've chosen, create an account and complete the KYC, know your customer, process to verify your identity. Step 3. Get a crypto wallet. A wallet is where you store your cryptocurrencies. Exchanges have built-in wallets, but for better security, consider a separate software or hardware wallet. Software wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask are free and easy to use. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor are physical devices that keep your crypto offline, making them super secure but a bit pricier. As a beginner, a software wallet is fine to start, but never leave large amounts of crypto on an exchange. Always back up your wallet's private key or seed phrase and store it somewhere safe, like a physical notebook, not your phone. If you lose it, you lose your crypto. No exceptions. Step 4. Start small and practice. Once your exchange account is set up and funded, usually with a bank transfer or credit card, start with a small amount, like $50 or $100. This lets you get a feel for trading without risking too much. Many exchanges offer demo accounts where you can practice trading with fake money. Use this to test strategies and get comfortable with the platform. When you're ready to trade for real, focus on major coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They're less volatile than smaller altcoins. Learn to set limit orders to buy or sell at specific prices and avoid emotional trading. A good rule: never chase a pump or panic during a dip. Stick to a plan. Step 5. Prioritize risk management and security. Crypto trading is exciting, but it's risky. Only invest what you're okay losing and never go all in on one coin. Diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. Enable two-factor authentication on your exchange and wallet. Watch out for phishing scams. Never share your private keys or click suspicious links. And here's a big one. Don't fall for guaranteed returns or random tips from strangers on social media. Do your own research, always. Set a stop-loss order to limit potential losses, and don't let emotions drive your trades. Patience and discipline are key. And that's it. You're now armed with the basics to start trading crypto. To recap, educate yourself, choose a reliable exchange, set up a secure wallet, start small, and always prioritize risk management. Crypto trading can be a wild ride, but with the right approach, it's an exciting journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop a comment below with your questions or let me know what you want to learn next. Until then, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.